Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice square root simplification problem. So we are going to just simplify this problem. Now first of all, we just write our problem here that square root of 9 plus square root of 64 plus 16 times square root of 12, that is equal to. Now first of all, we are going to just write this 64 is 16 times 4. So here we get square root of 9 plus square root of 16 times 4 plus 16 times square root of 12. So here our next step will be, if we take 16 is common, so we will get square root of 9 plus here square root of 16 is common, so we will get 4 plus square root of 12. Now our next step is, if we write this 16 separately and 4 plus 12 square root separately under square root, then we will use this formula, that is square root of a times b, it is equal to square root of a times square root of b. So now it will be square root of 9 plus here it is square root of 16, and it will be 16 times square root of 4 plus square root of 12. So now our next step will be, here square root 9 plus square root of 16 is equal to 4. So here we have that 4 times, here it is square root of 4 plus square root of 12. So if we just write this square root of 4 plus this square root of 12, like as we know that square root of 12 is equal to 4 times 3 whole square root, and square root of 4 times square root of 3, square root of 4 is 2, so 2 times square root of 3. Now we just write this square root of 12 like this. So square root 9 plus 4 here times square root of 4 plus 2 times square root of 3. So our next step will be, this 4 can also be written as that square root of 9 plus 4 times square root of, this 4 is 3 plus 1 and plus 2 times square root of 3. And we also know that if we have a, so it is equal to square root of a whole squared. Then here we just write this 3 like in this form. So square root of 9 plus 4 times, this 3 can be written as square root of 3 whole squared. This one is 1 squared plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1. So here we just use our formula, that we know that a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, it is equal to a plus b whole squared, a plus b whole squared. So now applying this formula here into parentheses, so we get square root of 9 plus 4 times square root of, here it is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 whole squared. So if we just cancel this square with square root, we will get here 9 plus 4, and here we get square root of 3 plus 1, square root of 3 plus 1 whole square root. So our next step will be, here if we just multiply this 4 into parentheses, so we will get 9 plus 4 times square root of 3 plus 4 times 1 whole square root. Now here square root of this 9 plus 4 is 13, plus this 4 can also be written as 2 times 2 times square root of 3. So next step will be, if we just write that 13 plus 2 times this 2 times square root of 3, as we know that 2 times square root of 3 can be written as that 4 square root of 4 times square root of 3, and 4 times 3 under square root. 4 times 3 is 12 square root. So we can write this expression here like square root of 12 whole square root. Now here 13 can also be written as that 12 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 12 whole square root. Now this 12 can be written as 12 square root whole squared plus 1 square root plus 2 times square root of 12 times 1. So here whole square root. Now here we see that it is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, it is equal to a plus b whole squared. So it will be square root of 12 and plus 1 whole squared and then square root. Now this square can be cancelled out with square root. We will get square root of 12 plus 1. As we also know that this square root of 12 can be written as that 2 times square root of 3 plus 1. So it is our final answer, which is our simplified form of this problem. So we will get our final answer here. Now we just check our entire solution step by step. I hope you have understand all these steps. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.